Tingin pet sa jingkylli balai ko on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2, but C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent kom kadan solution, but nang ta inconsistent pada ko no come done solution. Okay. Te kom no phinte pakade consistent ani inconsistent pada phya ban te pe kini ki ratio. Tilada ka ratio kalong kom ne kadi intersecting line. Te ha po intersecting line ki point ki mid halfway point kadan exactly one solution. Tilada ka done solution ko ka haba ka consistent. Okay. Tilada ka ratio kalong kom ne pada kadi ka parallel line. Lada kadi ka parallel line pada namar ha parallel line ki point kim jo yatang ko kumut kam done solution. Tilada kam done solution mut ka haba ka inconsistent. Tilada ka ratio kalong kum ne pada kandai coincident line. Tilada ka coincident line namar bah ka coincident line ki ulain uday uju ulain atli ki line ki kide lang uju ulain. Te namar bah ki tangko bet haman lo point mar kide tang uway. Kum ki tangko haman lo point makaran infinitely many solution. Tilada ka done infinitely many solution kamut bah ka consistent. Dengan shim ke jingkylli ke baar banding kom pin persyam. Dengan ni ke jingkylli ke baar ngarapin pet kini 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Dengan shim it parok ki nambah kawai kalian. Okay, 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Kani ke baar 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Dengan shim nak barok kawai kalian punya 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing dengan equation 1 dengan equation 1. Comparing equation 1 and 2, a1x kani ka general form plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 namakidan artali, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 we get a1 dekat no a1 day pada compare but kani general form ya a1 is equal to 2 nangta b1 punya minus 3 nangta c1 day minus 8 minus 2 minus 3 dan minus 8 nangta itu pada punya akan no 4 b2 punya akan no coefficient jong y mah minus 6 nangta c2 punya minus 9 c2 punya minus 9. So now a1 by a2 a1 dekat no day 2 a2 dekat no 4. So punya 2 into 1 2 nangta 2 into 2 4 punya 1 by 2 nangta b1 by b2 b1 dekat no minus 3 b2 dekat no minus 6. Okay. Okay, minus cancel 3 into 1 3 3 into 2 6 punya 1 by 2 nangta c1 by c2 minus 8 by minus 9. The minus cancel punya 8 by 9. Lada pipet hang ni here a1 by a2 ke equal but ka b1 by b2 tambah kam equal ya ka c1 by c2. Therefore the lines represent a parallel line. Lada ka deka parallel line, does it have a solution? No, namar ba ha parallel line kini ki line kim joy kendo. The namar ba kim joy kendo kumut kam don solution. And thus have no possible solution. Namar ba kam don solution? Possible solution. So the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Namar ba kam don solution. Okay, and pwede sa jingkylli ka balay. Dengan siya mekanik ka equation ka baning kong 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y. Dengan siya no iya unang baha ka ni kalyang punya minus 7 is equal to 0. Nang tasay ka ni kaway 9x minus 10y. Siya no iya ka ni kalyang punya minus 14 is equal to 0. Comparing dengan equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 with a1x ka general form b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 we get iya kan no a1 ikat no a1 compare hang ni punya 3 by 2 nangta b1 punya kan no compare kan ni punya 5 by 3 nangta c1 compare hang ni punya kan no minus 7 nangta itu pada punya kan no itu punya 9 nang ta B2 punya kan no minus 10 nang ta C2 punya kan no minus 14. Now A1 by A2 pada punya 3 by 2 divided by 9. So punya 3 by 2 is into 8 kala multiplication ini uban apa unit jong bana jong cepat 1 by 9. Tinang ta pada unit 3 into 1 3 into 3 9 barang sa 1 into 1 but 2 into 3 punya 1 by 6. Nang ta pada B1 by B2. B1 dekat no 5 by 3. B2 dekat no 10. Tikum jo hang neru ya 10 ra umya I kumut divide 1. Punya 5 divided by 3 into 1 divided by 10. Mar uban apa unit jong uban jong 1 cepat. The 5 into 1 5 5 into 2 10. Basa sa 1 into 1 but nang ta 3 into 2. Di hang ni day minus 10 ni minus kumana day minus 2. Kumana hang day punya 1 by minus 6. Okay, nang ta C1 by C2 pada C1 by C2 punya minus 7 by minus 14. Minus but minus cancel. 7 into 1 7 7 into 14 punya 1 by 2. Tapi pada ni A1 by A2 A1 by A2 kan no 1 by 6. B1 by B2 kan no 1 by minus 6. It's not equal to B1 by B2. It's not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore the lines represent an intersecting line and intersecting line. They have intersecting line dan kat no tadi solution intersecting line gimit kat no tadi point tang way point one thus have exactly only one possible solution. The number bakadan solution, therefore the lines are consistent. Okay. Terus yang ka jingkylli ka pasal, tengah naik ni ka pasan. Okay. Tengah ni pada ngan shift ini ngan shift ki nambah ka kalian punya 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Nang takan ni ka baal 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Ngan ay kini equation 1 ngan ay kini equation 2. Okay. Comparing equation 1 and 2 with general solution a1x plus b1. Can you do general solution? Okay, b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We get punya kuno a1 dekat no 4 by 3 punya a1 equal to 4 by 3 b1 punya kan no 2 pun compare kan ni 2 nang ta c1 dekat no minus 8 c1 is equal to minus 8 nang ta a2 punya kan no a2 punya 2 b2 punya kan no 3 b2 punya kan no 3 nang ta c2 punya kan no minus 12. Then now a1 by a2 punya 4 by 3 divided by 2 dihang liu 2 dan 1 is equal to 4 by 3 uni uban apa unda cecong bana jong 1 support dalam kelam multiplication 1 by 2 2 into 1 2 2 into 2 4 punya 2 into 1 merasa 3 into 2 into 1 but 3 into 1 di punya 2 by 3. Okay, nang ta b1 by b2 pada punya 2 by 3 nang ta pada c1 by c2 punya minus 8 by minus 12 minus but minus cancel nang ta 4 into 3 12 4 into 2 8 punya 2 by 3. Tetapi pet hang ni a1 by a2 b1 by b2 but c1 by c2 ki ya rengkat. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Lines represent a coincident line. Okay, represent coincident line. But a coincident line POE bakidon infinitely many solution and thus have infinitely many solution. The number bakadon solution, therefore it is consistent. Okay, get it? Jingkylli will focus on which of the following pairs of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent mod kepada solution, but kepada solution. Tiladaki pair of linear equation kita ki intersecting line lane ke coincident line kepada solution. Tilada kata pair of linear equation ketika parallel line kepada solution. Then page ke jingkylli ke banding Te kan mau ba barok kini ki number ki badan haka right hand side kan iri ke left hand side kan iri ke right hand side. Te barok ki number pinrabit haka left hand side barok. Okay, -5 pinrabit haka kali yang laka di right side ni left hand side tambah pinrabit haka barok. Kenang wat pinyo ban compare kat general form. Okay, 2x plus 2y minus 10 hang ni is equal to 0. Here, let's stop by direct here. We get kan mau baca ke general form kan ax1 plus by1 plus c1 is equal to 0 nang ta a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Te pin compare begini ke equation. Okay, kan mau baca man ke por nama ganam thok man ke por ke tu to a1 pio hang ni a1 ni kan 1 b1 pio kan 1 c1 pio kan -5 nang ta a2 pin compare begini equation ni kan ni A2 punya kan 2, B2 punya kan 2, nangta C2 punya kan -10. So now A1 by A2, A1 by A2 punya kan 1 by 2, nangta B1 by B2, B1 by B2 punya kan 1 by 2, nangta C1 by C2, C1 punya kan -5 by -10, minus cancel nangta 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, near 1 by 2. Since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, so the lines represent yang ratio represent a coincident line. Okay, pada kali coincident line current infinitely many solution and thus have infinitely many solution. Telada kadon sibun ki solution kemudian it is consistent, so it is consistent. Telada kadi consistent pihak solve graphically. Tikan ni kadi equation kapan kong kapangi layak mana. Tikan rak no barok kini number ngan bu petang uwe hakan kalian hang ni pada bu petang uwe variable haka left hand side but kiwe pat ki variable haka right hand side. Okay, dengan shift no kini. Okay, punya x dengan shift no emission ni punya plus 5 nang ta uni dari plus y punya minus y. Okay, tamud ba punya x is equal to 5 minus y. Tenang ta pada table x and y dengan watang lai teliki points. Okay, the when nomor hang dan y is equal to 0 punya x is equal to 5 minus 0 the punya x is equal to 5, so when y is equal to 0 punya x is equal to 5 nang when y is equal to 1 punya x is equal to 5 minus 1 punya x is equal to 4, so when y is equal to 1 punya x is equal to 4. Go back in equation. Okay, nang when y is equal to 2 punya x is equal to 5 minus 2 punya 3, so when y is equal to 2 x is equal to 3. Te bila page kani katu ke equation ke benkong kani padang ayo ke equation pa r. Okay, bila page hang ni uni 2x 2y but 10 ya kini baro ya utu 11 divided 2 ya utu 11 divided 2 ya 10 11 divided 2 kemudian r dividing by 2 both side and divide under 2 ya kani ke equation both side punya 2x divided by 2 plus 2y divided by 2 minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. The 2 baru 2 cancel, 2 baru 2 cancel. 10 divided by 2 punya kan 0 punya 5. So, x plus y punya minus 5 is equal to 0. Bila pipet ya kan ke equation 1 but kan ni ke equation ke bila simplify ya kan equation ke r kaya kan ke table jong ke penikong kade ke table jong ke r. Tiga ni kade table jong ke baningkong kun bakane ka table kade jong kade ka baningkong hendrai nomor bakane ka paaru kaya rangkat tu bukan day tu table jangka ba. Okay. They represent graph. Namar bagi ni graph baru arti lagi ya kaju. Dengan shimtang uni waypoint namar bagi ya kaju kemudian kita hilang hauju point. Okay. So when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, what how many point? When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, what how many point? When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, what how many point nang ta journey kini point. Hence, from the graph, we obtain the required solution. Namar bakadan infinitely many points, okay? Kan infinitely many points. Malda pidang shim yang x beri y dang kambun kemudian punya gini kambun ki point. Karena kan ni kan line kan kamjrong, okay? Thus hence from the graph we obtain the required solution, right? Dengan shim ke jingkylli balai, pidang persyang ke jingkylli paar, okay? Tetapi pada yang ni here we get a1 is equal to compare dengan ni 2, nang ta b1 punya kan 1, nang ta c1 is equal to minus 6, nang ta pada a2 punya 4, b2 punya minus 2, nang ta c2 punya minus 4. Okay, so now a1 by a2 punya 2 by 4 pada 2 into 1 2 into 2 4 punya 1 by 2, nang ta pada b1 by b2 punya 1 by minus 2 tumut punya 1 by minus 1 by 2, nang ta pada c1 by c2 punya minus 6 by minus 4, minus cancel, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4 punya 3 by 2. Tidak dapat yang ni a1 by a2, b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 kami arangkan, okay? Since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, is not equal to c1 by c2, the lines represent an intersecting line. Tidak ada kada intersecting line pada kadang tong way solution. How new point? And thus have exactly one solution. Tidak ada kadang solution. So it is kadang solution kemudian it is consistent. Tidak ada kadang consistent self graphically pada. Dengan shim ini equation kepanikong kong 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Dengan shim ini minus 6 akan dikaliang punya 2x plus y is equal to 6. Nang tapat dengan shim 2x akan dikaliang punya y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Dengan draw pada ikan table. Dan nomor yang udah no x te, dengan shim when x is equal to 0, punya y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0. Lalu ibu akan equation yang x punya 6. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Nang ta when x is equal to 1, punya y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. Punya 6 minus 2, punya 4. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Nang ta pada when x is equal to 2, punya y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2. Punya 6 minus 4, punya 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Input ka equation number 2. Okay, equation number 2. Punya i baya uni full up divide 2, ya utul up divide 2, ya full up divide 2. Jangan divide, jangan nida utul, okay? Dividing 2 both side. Rapim divide sa kane ru katakam don jeng wet punya apa ya ka solution tang bala rapi divide pada ki number kin kamret but kamsu ki piban kane, okay? Punya 4x by 2. Rapim divide pi kane ru punya apa? Minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. Punya 4 divide by 2 punya 2x. 2 by 2 cancel punya y. Minus 4 divide by 2 punya 2 is equal to 0. Nang tapat dengan shim no ayo. Kaya kini ki atali akan dikaliang punya 2x 2 plus y. Dan nang tahang ni pada di multiplication. Unkala divide 2 plus y divide by 2. Dan nang tahang ni udan y, okay? Pintu ya kan ika graph. Dan nomor pa menengi watang ngai teli mentaruh in watang ngai teli, okay? X and y. Dan nomor dari y dengan sedang when y is equal to 0 sedang 0 punya x is equal to 2 plus 0 divided by 2 punya 2 divided by 2 2 divided by 2 punya 1. So when y is equal to 0, x equal to 1. Nang ta pada when y is equal to la pin bu 1 hang ni kan ka value jong x kan yo fraction na ta ka daw han bu 2, okay? So pin yo x is equal to 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Pin yo 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 pin yo 2. So when y is equal to 2, pin yo x is equal to 2. Tira la pi bu 3 hang ni pin yo da ka fraction dengan bu 4, okay? X is equal to 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Punya 6 divided by 2. Punya 3. So when y is equal to 4, punya x is equal to 3. Dengan ni graph. Dengan shim gini ka table ka ko. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6 mahon new point. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 mahon new point. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 mahon new point. Nang ta join ni point. Nang ta pada kan ni ka table batu. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, một hậu new point. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, một hậu new point. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, một hậu new point. Nang ta join ni kan ka point. Tira pipet hani graph ka intersect how new point 2 2. So pinto from the graph we obtain x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 new point intersect, which is the required solution. Okay, fine. Pesa jingkylli ka basaw, here we get compare with the general solution. Your a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 2, nangta a2 is equal to 4, nangta b2 is equal to minus 4, nangta c2 is equal to minus 5. So now a1 by a2 punya 2 by 4. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, punya 1 by 2, nangta. b1 by b2, punya minus 2 by minus 4, minus minus cancel. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, punya 1 by 2. Nangta pada c1 by c2, punya minus 2 by minus 5, minus minus cancel, punya 2 by 5. Tetapi pada hang ni, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 kiarangkan. Tambah c1 by c2 pada umiarangkan, okay? Since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, therefore the lines represent a parallel line. Telada kadeka parallel line, haka parallel lines, i begini ki point kem intersect how no point, kem yang tengku how no point, komod pa kam dan solution, and thus have no solution. Telada kam dan solution pada kadai inconsistent. So it is inconsistent. Okay. Tenamar ba kadai inconsistent ngim dan kam ban solve graphically.